Very good, my friends. In today's video we are going to see why you need to buy a proper rivet gun. Did you try to put rivets on your project and you get your hands smashed? Look at my hands. They look terrible. I've been using the wrong rivet gun. Look at this. Looks terrible. This is because I've been using this rivet gun with stainless steel rivets. It's not the best thing you can do. I tell you, was so tough, so strong, and I finally destroyed this machine. But I discovered a new type of the machines, the lever manual rivet gun. Okay, we have this one, and now we have this one. This is DESA model LRX lever manual rivet gun. Okay, here you have the instruction with the pieces that came here, the code, everything you need. Okay, here we have. Okay, this is another thing. Look, compare how much tension you can apply here. Much more. It came with the key to change for the different sizes. You can use it, you see here, with steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and all these sizes: 2.4, 3, 3.2, 4, and 4.8. I'm using the 4. And here we have the machine. You see, looks very durable. And here we have the pieces that we can change very easily to change the size. Now here I have the 4, and I can store my 4 here, and I have the other pins right there, so I can take them when I need them. I'm going to make sure I don't lose anyone, and I get back the number 4 because it's the one that I'm using. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the machine, and also I'm going to use how to remove a stuck pin. And we are going to test it with my big project. I have here the chimney for the barbecue. You can take a look to the car that is here to see the video about the barbecue chimney. That is super cool. I made it by welding, cutting, and that's all, and using rivets. There are like 200 rivets or more there. Okay, here we have the machine. Okay, and to start we are going to open it to input the rivet, and now we can find the hole where we can place the rivet here, for example. Okay, now it's in position, and if we want to get it, we cannot unless we open, and then we can get again the rivet. Okay, let's see how we place the rivet in his position. Okay, first, and we release it. It's important to release it, otherwise can go out from here very fast if we leave it there. You see how easy it is? Then now we are going to see how to extract one rivet that got stuck. Okay, let's imagine we got this rivet stuck here. Okay, maybe I can stack it. Okay, I think now it's stuck. I cannot release it. Okay, this way I can spin. Okay, we are going to see what is the procedure to release it. In the other machine, I had to dismantle the machine completely. In this one, I just need to remove this piece here and this piece here. You see, here is the pin stuck. I cannot remove it. Now I do like this, and see, everything came out and I can release easily the stuck pin. Now I just need to put the things back in position. I throw it like this, and this thing also. Don't forget to put this, and now here you see you have to place it there. Okay. And now we put the last piece in position. Great. And this is how easy we release a stuck rivet. The first time I didn't know it, but in this machine it's super easy. In this one I had to remove this pin here, also this pin here, that is not supposed to be dismantled. So what was the problem with the machine? Okay, I'm going to tell you so you don't do the same mistake I made with this machine. Whoa. You can see that it's not in position, it's not right. Okay, let me show you. Whoa. Okay, I got one pin stuck and I tried to release it when the screw was in this position. What I did is to break these noodles here, so now it doesn't roll to the end and it doesn't work anymore. So I can throw it. The only thing that is better, that is good of this machine that I don't have in the other one, is that you can store this key here, and here the key is free. There is no place to put it, but come on, with this machine I can put much tougher rivets with no problem. I think this machine for steel is not good. Maybe for aluminum, I don't know, I didn't try it. But if you are going to work with steel, I think you will need one of those. Otherwise, you will destroy your hands completely, like it happens to me. And those are the rivets I'm using. They are number 4 in diameter, and they are stainless steel. The cheaper one costs around $10, 10 euros, and the other one cost me around 40 euros. Okay, this is all for today. I hope this video has been useful for you. Remember to get the appropriate rivet gun for the work you are going to do. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.